Today we are going to talk about top 5 ways to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, also known as the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a potent machine learning model that can produce language that resembles that of a human. The creation of written material for websites or social media posts, which can assist in generating income through advertising or affiliate marketing, is one potential use case for ChatGPT. Here are a few ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. Before starting, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 1. Generate content for websites. You may produce excellent content for your own website or for clients by utilizing ChatGPT to generate articles, blog entries, or product descriptions. The site's traffic may rise as a result, which may generate more affiliate or ad money. Writing the parts of an article that you might find tedious, like introductions and conclusions, is where ChatGPT shines. Number 2. Write social media posts. You may utilize ChatGPT to produce interesting and brand-consistent social media posts. Your social media profile's visibility and interaction may rise as a result, which may boost affiliate revenue or bring about paid collaborations with businesses. Unsure of the topic to write about? Ask ChatGPT for 10 suggestions and choose your favorite. Number 3. Create email campaigns. GPT can be used to create persuasive email campaigns, including the subject line, opening and closing lines of the emails, from scratch. Additionally, it can be used to create customized email content for the intended audience, which could increase open and conversion rates. Number 4. Generating scripts for videos and audio content. You may use ChatGPT to create scripts for audio and video content, including podcast episodes. As a result, there may be a rise in advertising or sponsorship income. When requesting dialogue, be sure to provide ChatGPT with as much information as you can. Please don't hesitate to request changes or updates from ChatGPT. In order to receive the best answer, people spend hours perfecting their prompts. Number 5. Content generation for books and ebooks. ChatGPT can be used to create written material for print books and ebooks, assisting authors in gaining more productivity and saving time. You may use it to compose nonfiction or even a book. Writing descriptions, creating characters, places, and plot ideas are all skills that ChatGPT excels in. You might even use it to overcome writer's block. Is this video being helpful? Tell us in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to mention them in the comment section and we will surely respond to your request. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.